So we are going to go get some colors here in the next few minutes. Color samples for the house have been chosen, but not signed off yet. Abby with Allure Designs out of Fort Wayne, Indiana, is doing such an amazing job helping me pick out the perfect colors for this farmhouse. And when I first saw those samples and saw it on a digital form of my home, it just took my breath away. So I'm going to tell you what colors I'm going to use, but I'm not going to give you the exact color name just yet. We have decided we are going to go with a creamy white for a certain part of the house, a green for a certain part of the house, with a little bit of beige and a touch of warm charcoal. And they're just beautiful. So we're gonna go get the samples and we're gonna slap them on the house so we can really see what we're dealing with. Such a cool thing.